This is why when I hear people say, then they are foreign and then no want do no business with no Jamaica, don't you? When they say, boy, they mean and then this, sometimes I don't mean, you know. The story is a perfect example. I'm glad I get a platform for share it with you know. Want to like this video for me? Share it and comment. And if you don't know the person where this Englishman I talk about in that video, give me a link and make me hear what I go on if you don't know anything. I could drive and listen. Start. How you meet this man?
2017. I met him in England here before. I met him in England and he was a humble guy. And he was in prison. And when they deported him, he said, "Do have no help."
Right.
And I said, I would help him because I like to help people.
Right.
Yes, help him. So I sent him some money. So I say that I open a shop. So I said I will help him. And I would send him things from here to sell. Not looking at anything back from it. I just want to help him.
Help him, right.
That's the person I am. So when I went to Jamaica 2017, I meet up with him. And he was all right. He was all right. He treated me good. He's like every morning I wake up, he phoned me and asked me, "You heated?" And I said, yeah. And he said, "I want to sell him some breakfast here on the taxi and all them things."
Oh.
And people could cook for me and everything, but he was all right, you understand? And he showed me a good side of him. You understand? Right. So I spent 3 months in Jamaica, but when I said the truck to Jamaica, I sent the truck them from my son.
Oh, you send the truck. So where you send the truck them from England?
Yeah.
You send them from England. He's a deportee.
The guy, yeah, but my son, I'm not a deportee.
No man, the guy who we are talking about. What's his name, by the way? Who we are talking about?
They call him, his right name is Justin, and they call him Congo.
Which part in live?
Anata Bay.
Anata Bay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's from Anata Bay, and they call him Justin. So Justin was a deportee from England, basically.
Yeah.
And Yanni had a friend from England, and him reach out to you and tell us, say, him not go and fee him and you send down money for him open a shop. As a brother, you give him back a help. Nothing wrong with that.
I'll give him back a help, nothing else.
Not right. And you send down barrel of food and you can sell in the shop too.
Yeah, I don't send them no food, I send them parts. These guys used to sell parts.
Oh, you used to sell parts?
Okay,
car parts, so you send them stuff. So when you come to Jamaica now, him treat you good, as a good friend, to a friend.
Yeah, it was all right.
Send a breakfast.
Buy and sell.
Yeah, send a breakfast.
I love to buy and sell. I always buying things and selling trucks to Jamaica. Always selling trucks to Jamaica and car parts and truck parts.
All right now. So after him cheat you good and everything, and how comes Yanni reaching on position for do business like with the truck them now? Take me this.
Yeah, so when I coming back to England, my son was supposed to in Jamaica. He said not staying in Jamaica no more. He want to come to England. He going to England. So I said, why you send down the truck them? I don't want to stay in England. In Jamaica. All right. If we come to England then and I take him to England. So I only have one daughter in Jamaica. My daughter was very young. I have one sister and 4 brothers, but many of them don't get on. I have a different dad, and many of them don't get on. But I try with them. Yeah, I try with them, and I can't get on. They just have so much jealousy and just bad mind. And I have one brother we made get on, but he's not well. But it's me take care of him and everything. And so Justin said to me, he called me when I come back to England. Yeah, because I move the truck them and take them to a place and park up to this guy place. So he called me and tell me, say, "Yo man, say I can get some work for the trucks." And I was working on my house in Jamaica. And he said, if I get some work for the truck, you have to send the money to buy material. Because it's good work and it's 2 trucks.
Oh, wow. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah.
So I said to him, we getting the work with the truck. In terms of the water company, a company with the water from Portland to Montego Bay. They say you get a contract with them. So I said, okay, that's good. So I said, all right, I will get some documents and send to you. That I can insure the truck. The truck must stay in my name, stay in my son's name, same way. And you can just insure it and license it, and I will send the money to give him to license and insure it. So I go to the court, because them things have to go through the court in England. So I went to the court and get some documents from them. So I want to give somebody the truck to drive in Jamaica, but to license and insure it, I have to show them permission, so I give the permission. So they do. I do the documents. I have to pay for it through the court and send it to him. So he get the trucks and he have the trucks, and I start to send him stuff. I started to send him a lot of stuff. But I didn't know what's going on. I wasn't questioning anything.
So all right, prior to the contract, I want to talk with viewers and can understand. Prior to the contract, you do all of them documents work there, so you could have insured the truck in your name.
When I give him the truck, and he do what him doing with the truck, start the truck out and everything. He called one day and said to me, "In don't live anywhere." His wife threw him out the house. And I have more than one house. So I said, he could go in the back house and get a room. So I was thinking about it. And I said, all right, I got to call my daughter and tell my daughter. I called my daughter and said, I said, give him a back, lock up the stuff in the house into a next part of the house and give him one of the room. My daughter did do it, but my daughter was concerned and said, Dad, know what you're doing, I said, no, man, it seems all right. It's all right. That's me. So I said, it seems all right. He was using his head. He had a plan, but I didn't know. You know the papers, the documents, and the truck, everything in the house. In plan is to teach the documents them to get the truck transfer in his name, everything to go transfer. Bogus, I know Jamaica can get things done bogusly.
Yeah, man. You say once the title was in the house, coming over motor vehicle. Did they have the title there too?
The British paper, all the British paper that was in the house in the truck. The people there. So he licked the door off, but my daughter didn't know. He broke inside the next part of the house. I'm alone over that part of the house. And broke in the next part of the house.
Guys, look on now, watch the video and now like the video. Press the like button now and leave a comment.
And take the documents out. And take them. He promised this
Stick up in there, Daddy. Stick up in there. More understand the story right way. When him come at the yard, see, when I give him permission to stay at the yard, the truck did already allegedly the contract work at the time.
Yeah.
All right. And then now you tell your saying wife kick him out and you tell him if stay at your house and give him stay in one room. So while he was there now, him get entry and find the papers them for the truck. Okay. All right. So there's any time, when him said the truck in the contract, there's any time where he ever show you some proof of money or something, say, him a collect off of this truck, or you just go by where him say or what?
I just go by where him say, I said, to put money in the bank. You know, to give me when money for the truck work, save some money, make sure you have money to buy parts, and put something in the bank, in credit union, give me data. And him said, yeah. But that man, I don't chase up things and pressure people. You understand? Make people use the conscience. You understand? So, when he break in the house and in see the documents and take the documents to Kingston, to Wharf, where they pick the broker who clear the truck. And he makes some arrangement with the broker. Say if the broker, they know to make a corrupt, you understand? He makes some arrangement with the broker. I said, if the broker help him out, he will give him some money to try to get it. And the broker can do it because the broker already have the original documents in the job. So they organize with the broker and cancel the truck out of my name, out of my son's name. But
so you have proof of this, or you say allegedly?
No, he canceled the truck out of my name, but I didn't know. I didn't know he done it. It's when the broker phoned me, because I know the broker for a long time, because I said lots of things to Jamaica. Lots of things to Jamaica. Lots of things and trucks, alcohol, light trucks. So broker called me one day because I know him. And he said, you know what? You done something bad, I should have tell you. So I said, what you done now? And the broker called me about 2 weeks before and beg me a money. They want to send back his son to school, back to school. I send him the money. And I say, no, say, me do something bad, and I should tell you. So I say, where do you know? He say, you know, your brethren, your Rasta brethren come to me with some documents, and well, I'm getting my head, I'm get the truck. Change over in his name, say he's the owner of the truck.
Jesus, God in heaven.
So I said to him, say, fuck off. Sorry to swear. I said to him, say, fuck. Yeah? But you shouldn't do that to me. So look how long I know me.
And you send, hold on there, and I talk a couple of weeks ago, you send money to him for him back to school for him kids them, and so?
Yeah. And I said to him,
oh God.
I don't want to know. But at that same time, I'm in the process to send him a car.
Oh.
You understand?
So hold on, at the same time, through the good person is, you know, say you send him one car for him can boom bang.
Oh, the car is mine. I plan to go to, but I said, well, I'm gonna send the car to him to clear the car. I'm sending the money and everything, but I'm sending the car to him. Yeah, and have access to the car. So when he tell me, I said to him, say, I don't want to know nothing. Don't tell me anything. Olaun is a thief.
Thief, yeah.
I think Olaun is a thief. So I hang the phone up, and then this girl phoned me. I didn't know her, but he used the guy who worked the truck. He used the girl's phone to phone me, but him and the girl fall out. At that same time, the car was on the wharf, ready to take off the wharf. So the girl phoned me and said to me, say, you know what, Gaston, because my name is Gaston. Most people call me Castro. Yeah. They say, you know what, Castro, I'm telling you this now, yeah? My man planning to thief the car as well. Yeah. It tell me, so you're going to thief the car and sell the car. So I said, yeah. He said, if you want the car, don't make him collect the car from the wharf. So I said, yeah. So I have to get busy because the girl called me and said, don't make him clear the car. So I said, why? He said, him planning to thief the car.
Who so plan to thief the car? The man who collect it for you, or they said Rasta man will get deported?
He said Rasta man, yeah. He said Rasta man.
Right.
Because I was sending the car to him, because the car reached Jamaica now, you know. The car reached Jamaica now. You understand? So he's going to clear the car. So I just wanted to send the money to give the clear the car. And the girl phone me, and they go follow. They know one state.
Yeah, man, and they follow them, I thought the secret.
She don't know me.
Yeah.
But he used the girl phone to phone, and the girl just phone me back. Yeah, and tell me everything, because the girl just get malicious.
That means I chat with the girl then, and tell the girl all I plan them. Where my plan for do.
Yeah.
So that's why she reach out.
And the girl help him out, yeah, with most of the plans. The girl help him out with most of the plans.
So you get sour now, so she reach out to you. Oh boy.
The girl have to run away to Cayman. I threatened the girl to run away to Cayman. She got in Cayman now. So when I could get in touch with the wharf and ask them if I can cancel the person who that car come to, can get somebody else to clear the car. They say, yes, I can change it over. It's going to cost me money to change it over. So I don't mind. I get somebody else to clear the car. They say, yeah. So I get a new broker and everything.
Right.
So I get it changed over. So he didn't know, so I changed it over.
Right.
Yeah. So when he find out saying not clearing the car now, and I get somebody else to clear the car, because they tell him everything now, as I get somebody else to clear the car, he get corrupted, he get corrupt. Very corrupt, he get very corrupt. And cut me off and not getting no contact with him.
Oh my God.
The truck they disappear. Nobody know the truck them is. They disappear. The truck they disappear. I don't know where the truck them is. I lose all connection with him. He cut me off.
So you didn't know where he lived before? So at this time when he cut you off and then in your back room in the live?
Yeah.
So when he move out?
He move out. He sell everything out of my house.
What?
The bed, the cooker.
What?
Sell everything out there.
That is sorry, that
He move them out by night.
me not laugh after your situation, you know, but the part where you say, man, man sell out everything out your house, bed.
Yeah, he sell everything.
Jesus.
And, yeah. But people knowing it, people seem doing it, but they didn't, they threw the connection with me and him.
They tick, then they know what go on, right? True.
Same thing, and I said, I have a lot of stuff in Jamaica. Big storeroom with a lot of stuff. And he started to sell out everything.
Jesus, God in heaven. Oh my God.
Yeah, I said, the last trick he tried to trick me. I sent down 5 pallet of tile. Pallet, you know pallet?
Yeah, man.
From my house. I always do stuff. I sent down 5 pallet of tile. And I sent down cookers, big range cooker, fridge, tires. I sent down a lot of stuff. And he phoned me and said to me, you know, drink in at what tile warehouse, some warehouse in town. You meet a brethren there, and the brethren there have some tile, and if more buy tile, because you know I'm working on my house. Yeah, but I want a picture of the tile. So send me a picture of the tile and how much the brethren want. He tell me a figure, and I said, okay, but send me a picture. I want to see the tile. Send me a picture.
Yeah, you know, by pussy in a bag, yeah.
At the said time, our big man friend who know, and he called me and said to me, I see your brethren, you know, with the truck full of goods, like he going towards Portland. So I said, okay. I said, you know, not too long, call me and tell me I have some tile selling. Bring it from tile warehouse. So I said, okay. But anyway, I tell him I want to see the picture of the tile. He don't connect me back. But I didn't realize, so it's my tile they would have sent to Jamaica. I'm selling in clear the man from the wharf. And he want to sell me back my own tile from your house. Yeah.
So true that he couldn't send a picture.
Yeah.
He couldn't send a picture.
Yeah, so he couldn't send the pictures. He cut me off now. He cut me off. But I said that to him. He cut me off.
Wow.
And he was going on with himself when, showing off one day with this guy and said to this, there was just chatting and drinking. And he said to this, I can call a big man in England. Anything I tell him, he listen to me. Yeah, I can show you this right now. And he said to them that they was keeping him and he didn't know because they all was drinking. So he said, I can show you this right now. So so he called me, and said to him buy credit some goods from tire warehouse. And in need, he can't pay it, he get in trouble, so he want me to help him to, because it gonna cause embarrassment, because they tell him, they send in bailiff, and they gotta come and clear the shop out. So I say, okay. So I say, we are going to do for you. He said, I could get 100,000 to give them, that they don't embarrass me. So I said, okay. I said, I'm gonna make some arrangement and I get the 100,000. And I didn't get the 100,000, I get 98,000. I get 98,000 and give it to him.
Oh God.
Yeah. So when he get 98,000, he said to him, I said, you see though, anything we tell him, listen to me. So the man said, they called me and send me the message, send me the note, the voice note. Yeah. I won't call the people name who send me the voice note, you understand? But they sent me the voice note and said, yo, listen this man. My man taking the piss out of you.
You can send me a voice note, you have it said here?
Yeah, I have the voice note.
Yeah man, send me to and put it in a video. Just to clarify all the things.
Yeah,
man, send me
I will just ask my son to get it up out of that phone because I change the phone, but it's in the phone same way.
Yeah man, get it from him. What am I getting to make it?
So when you find out, say, I find out all them things what him going on with. As I said, he cut me off completely now. Cut me off, and I was calling him, and all the thing with that. In the storeroom, one time he phoned me. There's a lot of story in this thing, you know. He called me one time and said to me, the man in entire warehouse in Jamaica, and I have a big building, and he said the man want the building to rent. So I said, I want 200,000 a month for the building. Yeah. And he said, yeah, man, that is no problem. That is no problem. So I tell my daughter that he gonna rent the place out. And I said, give me daughter 150,000 and you take 50,000 for yourself. Yeah. And say, yeah, man, that's brilliant, man. That's good. So anyway, now, my daughter started telling me what's going on. She said, Dad, you know what? I said, they come and pay the shop up, you know, and all these things, and lot of goods. They have lot of goods now in the shop. They put a lot of goods in the shop. There was supposed to be a storehouse to take goods to Portland. I said, okay, that's good then. So one day him called me now and said to me, my sister, I don't get on with my sister, but my sister will still have my interest, you understand? But she just can cause trouble sometimes. So my sister called me and said, brother, you know, chat to me about no, my man a thief. Cause the man who man do business said to him, him cut him off. Him not do business with him because every time he carry goods come put at the shop. He take the goods out at night, he move out the goods, because a lot of goods, loads of goods, $1 million, more than $1 million of goods. So the man must have suspects of something going on when he carry the goods.
So I usually said truck and a thief out is something them and carry them go sell them then basically.
Send go sell them back. That's what I'm done.
Jesus, good.
Anyway, my sister called me now and the man confronted him about it and said, well, I'm going to cut ties with him. So I'm not to do it, I'm going to cut ties with him. But he's not telling me them, they don't tell me all them parties after. When the man cut ties with him, he called me and said, forfeit the deal. And they invest some money in the business as well. But he's going to close back down the shop and write the shop up and put my name on the shop. So I said, I didn't want to involve in your business. Put cash to art or supply. So I said, I don't interested in no business in Jamaica. Because people rob me too much. You understand? So I said, no, man, me wouldn't do that. Me never do that. Me wouldn't do that to you.
Well, ask you something. Pause there, so. All right. This is before it chucked them thief, right? This is one of the business.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, want people are listening and confused and say then, oh, in Robert truck and then you have the business with him. You just tell me some of the events. These are some of the events. These are some of the events leading up to when in thief chuck, which was the final straw, right?
Yes, he always come to with ideas.
Okay.
He always come to with ideas.
Right. Some of those like that.
Try to get in my head. You understand? So I said to him, because they know I love business. I do more than one business in Jamaica before. They said they've done the same thing to me already before. But the guy was so genuine. I'm not gonna say he was so genuine. You understand? Genuine. But I'm gonna tell you this piece now. My friend called me from America and asked me about him. He's all right. He said, no, my man is not all right, you know. Go on YouTube. My man put your house up and YouTube say a theme house. I say, you're mad. Yeah. So when I look at YouTube, I ain't giving an interview on YouTube. So anybody can reach if you have ambition. In value 17 million, and he have 2 trucks, and him buying him car in England, in Mercedes Benz in England, and him have him house. 2-story house, and he finished the first floor, and he on the second floor now.
So what on there?
It's all
It's up on YouTube.
It's all on YouTube, yeah?
Send me, you have a link where you can copy it and share it with me.
I say I can't call my son, because on the YouTube channel, the guy who live in England here, in London, but I can't remember his name, but it's on Film Channel. It's on YouTube. I can't get it.
Well, I don't want to know a channel name and find it. This is interesting.
Okay. When my son come in this evening, my son send it to you.
Yeah, it on the voice note.
Yeah. So when my brethren called me and said, Caston, be careful, Caston, be careful. I said, no, it's all right, man. It's that. I don't, Jamaica State, people bad, man, and get jealous. I say, it's all right, look, you're my guy. Yeah, it's not all right, because my man say your house is his. And you truck him have 2 trucks, and him having business now, and everything, anybody else can do it.
Mm-hmm. Damn thief. Wow.
You understand? So, when I find out all the things and I confront him, I say, why you do that? Why you never tell people, said, it's a brethren place, but it's not yours. You say it's your place, but you have bigger plans ahead.
Mm-hmm.
That if anything happen to me, he can claim all the things.
Right. Wow.
Yeah, because you always send me roots and things in England, but I never drink them. Give people roots and give this to me. Give this to me.
In England, but you never drink them.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
I never drink. I didn't drink them. I get to understand how you have plans. You have big plans for me.
Wow.
Understand? And when everything come to head now, the pipe burst in the shop. You have all the keys in the shop, and the pipe burst in the shop. My daughter tried to call him to tell him that the pipe burst and to leak out lots of water out the shop, and he picture, and my daughter know I have loads of goods in the shop. I have loads of stuff in the shop. So my daughter get mad now and said, Dad, I'm calling him and he's not answering the phone, and lot of water, so the things are gonna get damaged in the shop.
So she have to lick off the door.
I said to my daughter, get somebody and cut the locks them off.
Right.
Change the locks, cut off all the locks.
Right.
So when my daughter cut the locks them off, my daughter video inside the shop and said, Dad, there's nothing in the shop, nothing in the storeroom, everything gone. I say, you're mad. He said, Dad, that's why I wouldn't answer his phone. He cleared out the shop, he cleared out everything out the shop, he cleared the shop out, he cleared the storeroom out.
Gone with all the data stuff them.
My stuff, them gone with all the stuff, all the stuff. I said, I have lots of stuff. I have lots of stuff.
Car parts, everything.
Yeah, I have lots of stuff. Anybody who, if anybody, when people listen, they will tell you, say it's true, I'm not lying, because everybody know me.
Okay.
You understand?
Wow.
Everybody know me.
What them know, yes?
Castro.
Castro. Okay.
Everybody know me as Castro. I've been knowing abroad, England, all over. I've been knowing.
But question now, Daddy. All right. We could. All right. Me reach about 30 minutes now. What may I say? With everything where you have an evidence, confession and all of this, why don't you go to the police station and make a report and?
Well, that is my problem. I tell you what is my problem at this moment now. Yeah, I was supposed to come to Jamaica last year when I send the car off. Because I send the car off to come down and send down a container with loads of stuff, a 40-foot container with loads of stuff. But what happened to me? I take sick. I take sick and I couldn't travel.
Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't leave England. I take down sick. The plan was to be in Jamaica to sort my stuff out. Yeah, so to sort everything together. When I find out everything what was going on, I take down sick and I couldn't travel. And that is the problem. We're not in Jamaica now. Because I call Jamaica every single day, try to find out what's going on with my stuff and try to talk to the police and all them things, but it's corrupt.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a hard case, so I'm not there.
Yeah, man, you have to do it, man. You can't work with phone call. You have to come with the proof and everything, come with the documents you have where you get over the court of England, everything, and come in and...
I have all of them.
And the guy where do the foolishness with sign over the truck, he might a problem to him.
You know, but the guy would do the bundle work same.
He mean a problem or no?
I mean, not a problem. No, he died. They kill him.
What?
Yeah. He live in Kings. They kill him. The gunman go in on him and kill him.
Mirated.
Yeah, they kill him.
Jesus God in heaven.
They kill that guy who do all the paperwork for him. And the girl who know everything, she has to run away to Cayman and check the girl to kill the girl.
So that means you have to go be careful when you come here.
I'm be careful. I always be careful. Because as I said, you know,
boy,
he show you two colors.
So your best friend and your worst enemy.
Yeah. Your best friend,
the best friend. That is a best friend. It's
stupid, man. You don't have no sense. That guy could have been a millionaire out of me.
Could have been.
As I said,
Jesus.
I sent him loads of stuff. When I time he started to tell me lies. Yeah. And this, he get people.
Oh God.
I send a truck. My truck breakdown. He don't do anything to the truck. I send the truck and say, take the truck to Mercedes, because a Mercedes Benz truck.
Mm-hmm.
I said, take it to Mercedes. I know the man who owns Mercedes. It's a Stuart. I know them. Because I said, I know a lot of people. Yeah. And he get a bogus receipt to charge me more. He thief a parts of the truck. And Mercedes have to pay for the parts. And Mercedes didn't know is he thief the parts of the truck. Can carry the truck to Mercedes, they thief the parts off, and then they make in trouble and carry the truck to Mercedes and then thief the parts off. And the man who used to personate police to go to Mercedes, and you know Mercedes is a big company, they don't want no bad things against the name. Mercedes decided to pay for the pump. Yeah, and it's convenient, and then give him 100,000. The man, when he get to personate police, can the man as well. That man saved me a lot of money as well, you know. When it to personate police. Because when that man started to tell me stuff, they must like to make people promise to do bad work. And when the work go through, we don't pay them and threaten them. And the man called me and tell me. The man called me and tell me everything.
How old is this man?
Is in his 40s?
Well, I mean, his 40s.
Yeah, but he do honest. He's very dishonest, man. I sell a lot of things to Jamaica, and he sell out my things, and most of the things in my town before he go to country. He sell them out in town. As he call, I send them to him to Wharf, and him sell them before they go to country. He sell them off in town, get sick by out in town, and sell them. Yeah.
Oh boy, daddy. The story is so it's a wicked act, and it's a case where you're sorry for Marga dog, as what them say. Them turn around by it. And this is the thing now, people overseas.
The first part, I couldn't give him a bad name, because he always come and tell me positive things. I even send money to give him to buy 50 sheet of ply for my house. And he only go buy 5.
Well, and tell
me, said, is the workman that thief the ply. I when I call the hardware, we buy the ply from. The man said, no, he's lying. He buy 5 sheet of ply.
Oh my God, yeah there. And this is the thing as well, may I say, before you cut me. People overseas want to try with some Jamaican people and would want to help them, but they are so dishonest. They're very dishonest. Everything then tell lie, then say this happened, this, that.
Yeah, they try everything to get money out of you.
Yeah, and then with that drink, then like the man there with that trigger down to the last dollar where you have. If you convince you with doing this, and you are the good heart you have, you always do it. I don't know what I'm people here.
I always help him. If he call me and said to me, Ray, I said, okay, I will sort it out for you.
You know how much people that want this opportunity here in Jamaica?
I said, listen, people gonna tell you in your comment section, say, me is a good man because they know me. And I always sending stuff to Jamaica, always helping people. If somebody died in Jamaica, they say, oh, make we call Castro and see if he can help with.
Right.
And I help. Yeah.
Boy, oh boy, Castro, I'm sorry for this, and I hope you get back your truck. But you have to just...
It thief what is thief, yeah? But give me daughter the truck. I said, because my daughter said to me, Daddy, he bring back one of the truck. She said she one of the truck cars. She didn't know, nobody didn't know what the truck was. For 2 years, out of COVID, nobody didn't know what the truck them is. And my daughter called me and said, Daddy, you know, see, I see him driving the truck. Yeah, I said, go to police station and tell them to seize the truck from him, seize the truck. Yeah.
Wicked boy, that man. Boy, I'm afraid of people, brother. I'm afraid of
He
people.
tried every way to con me. He tried every way. He always come with some scheme to con me. And people want me, you know. And I said, no, he's all right.
He's all right. Why? That is why they kick him out of England. That is why.
People want me.
That is why they kick him out of England.
Yeah, people warn me. I'm not gonna lie. People warn me. And I said, no, he's all right, man. They're just bad man and jealous of him.
And see it now. How you feel the wickedest thing?
I feel it, man. I feel it.
Wow. How much money them chuck there? How much money them chuck the value?
When the last time he bought me value Mercedes, value 7 million. The other truck value about 2 to 3 million. The other truck.
So I look on about nearly $110 million worth of truck business there, so. Plus the goods. Plus the goods, them and parts. Yeah, you look on a couple millions, man. What if a millions you lose, man?
Lose. I mean, lucky. If you lose the car, like my Mercedes cost about 28 million in Jamaica.
Oh, how year Mercedes that?
2014.
14. Oh, wow. You would have gone with that to me. That thing would have used a muggle and get a girl them. Oh, could you chat to him? And what about the house? You have the title for your house and everything, though.
Yeah, he takes for the people, but he can't get the house.
He can't get the house so easy, right? Yeah.
He take all the documents and all. He said, well, look, lots of documents out the house and all my clothes. Then the things don't bother me. He just turned himself now he's stupid because he could have been a rich man.
Rich man, right.
And I said, I don't greedy. I always tell them, say, just
humble.
Save something. Just humble and save something for me. And I don't tell them say I want $10 or $5.
Right.
I just say save something for me.
You know much man that want to rent one place and I get 200,000 and get 50 for himself and bank. Hey, mother happily do it right now. I never see somebody so.
Everything.
No, sir.
Yeah, everything. If he call me and tell me I'm selling anything, I said take that and put that. And it don't do what I said. It don't do it. It take everything.
Everything selfish, wicked.
And the thing we never know as well with him. He gambled and I didn't know.
That's why you see when they start gamble, daddy, everything them he sell. Because them gamble and then lose a lot, so him want money.
And he's a big gambler and I didn't know.
Yeah, man,
he was gambling.
But when you talk, I could tell us I want low life, man, this I know. This man I want riff-raff. That's what my friend here would say. Riff-raff garbage them the man. Then that, yeah, man. Sorry, so you're dropping your hands at them, man, then. Good man and good people out there. But some of the time you start off so good with them people and then after a while, when they see the whole heap of money and things, then start get greedy too. So we can say some people in the States, but some of them as then see luxury and the things that are coming, then think of ways how they can get. And then look long term. This is it with enough of it. That's why we live in poverty. We don't look long term investment. Long term investment say, so I'm gonna be the man a friend for at least 10, 15 years until in dead. Humble, easy, and go through. Nobody about in a 1 year, 2 year time you want rich. So you go scam him and do all of this.
I give my opportunity. I start a house. Because as I said, I have more than one house. And I start a house behind my next house. And I said to him, yo, try to up something for yourself. Yeah.
But Castro, anything hear me here enough?
Yeah, man. Enough respect, man, and love, yeah. All right.
Cool.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Why, guys? Jesus, God, hey, more ask you something. Everybody are firing of a story. Mirated. Hey, I'm putting out a request now. Anybody have a good story with foreign and Jamaica, relink me and make me hear it, please. Whether relationship, whether business or whether whatever, please, I'm begging you, come and mix up our show and share it. I want to hear some good story. Look how much people are suffer. Look how much people are go through all type of. If somebody in England can't help them like this man. This man get kicked out of England and this man take it upon himself to give him a second chance in a life. And this is how he repaid, man. Eh? And now when you see when people they are Jamaica are suffer and people say they not look upon them. When you say people bad mind and people wicked. This is a perfect example. Me learn every day upon for my channel. God, thank you for the channel and me not stop learn. Me. Anyway, guys, put a like, share the video. Justin, he's a cool man. He's a cool man. Anybody know him or whatever, want to share this with him, make him know say the man want back in truck and the man need him stuff them. Boy, oh boy. The stories continue. Bless up on yourself, guys. Like and share. I'm gone.